Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a ZTE Blade V40s and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find System and Update. Right here we've got the reset options, so let's enter, and as you can see on the first position we've got the option we're looking for, so let's tap. Here your device is informing you that it will reset not only the Wi-Fi, for example, but also the mobile data and the Bluetooth. So let's tap on reset settings here, and your device will ask you if you really want to do it, because you cannot undo this action. So if you're ready, tap on reset settings, and as you can see we've got the information that the network settings have been reset successfully, but be aware that if you've got any kind of screen occurrence set, then your device will ask you to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. So basically that's all. This is how to reset your preferences in your ZTE Blade V40s. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.